Hi, I'm Tim Carter, founder of AskTheBuilder.com. I want to show you how you can increase the value of your home and make it more attractive at the same time. I'm doing it right now here at my own home by taking out two of my bland garage doors and installing two stunning insulated garage doors that have a real wood look as well as special decorative glass. They're made by Haas Door, and it's a family-owned company that makes all of their doors in the great state of Ohio. A replacement garage door project like mine is currently offering the highest return on investment here in the USA. It's a good idea to replace your old doors when you need more energy efficiency, they get beat up, or if you're thinking of selling your home. Haas Door manufactures steel and aluminum garage doors that are available in a multitude of styles to fit the look of your home. We used the free online Haas Create visualizer to find the doors that look best on our home. I know you'll discover a style that will make your garage doors the best looking in your neighborhood. I decided to use steel doors for both strength and durability. My new energy efficient doors are insulated so my garage stays above freezing during cold New Hampshire winters. To create the best look and maximize the increased value of my home, my wife and I selected the mahogany bi-directional wood look so visitors think we have handsome traditional wood garage doors. Extra light now enters our garage through the remarkable privacy decorative glass that Haas Door offers. You can choose from any number of glass styles and types of glass. My wife wanted the distinctive wavy aqua insulated glass with the emerald leaded glass design. It looks like real leaded glass but without the weight. I think she made the right choice. Garage doors are the largest mechanical device in the average home. That's why you'll want to work with a Haas Door dealer to handle the installation. A pro can get the job done both fast and right. Let me show you. What do you think? Aren't my new garage doors amazing? Just in case you forgot, here's what my house looked like before the new doors were installed. Yeah, I think you'll agree, these new doors are so much better. Go pick out your own Haas door right now at HaasCreate.com and HaasDoor.com. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com.
If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.